Good morning. Welcome to the Tinkering Lab of Army Public School, Noida. Problem statement. Our innovative idea lies under the subsection of system, innovate to develop an effective and integrated healthcare system. As we all know, we are all missing our schools. Teaching is going on through online medium, but that environment of teacher-student interaction is lost somewhere in between the screens. And why is all of this? This is all because of the fear of the virus. There is panic and panic everywhere, in schools, offices, and homes.
Soap solution and hand sanitizers are the two things which are protecting us from the virus by removing the virus from our hands. But we do get ourselves in some situations as shown in the next video. Unintentionally, at some point, we come in this type of situation. To protect ourselves from this type of situation, we thought of this project, Touch Me Not.
Touch Me Not is an automatic door handle sanitizer. As soon as person touches the handle, the sanitizer will start working and spray disinfectant on the handle. The components used in Touch Me Not are a passive infrared sensor to detect the motion and send signals to Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno receives the signals from PIR and performs the function of operating the water pump module. The water pump module will then pump sanitizer on the door or handle. It has a thin nozzle to spray the sanitizer and a 12 voltage power supply to run the pump. Journey of Touch Me Not. It is a piece cut from a bottle to fix everything in it, and this acts as an outer cover. The nozzle is fixed to spray sanitizer.
The Arduino Uno is then programmed to receive signals from the passive infrared sensor and to perform the function of operating the water pump module. The fixed PIR sensor then detects the motion and passes the signals to the Arduino Uno. The water pump module then sprays the sanitizer. A 12-volt motor driving supplying power to water pump is also installed.
This is how it looks after we compile all of them. After connection, Arduino Uno and 12-volt power supply are fixed inside this cover. This is our basic prototype project.
The final result is an automatic door sanitizer which can be fixed on any door or surface with sensor facing towards the point of contact of the handle. Here in this video, the sensor detects motion and Arduino Uno activates the water pump, spraying the handle with disinfectant. This is a prototype and we have tried to prepare this with materials available to us easily at home. This is user-friendly, easy to install, saves time and conserves water. This will create a hygienic environment and can be installed on a large scale in public places. The team members are Gauri Malik, Akriti Mishra and Rashmi Bhandari. Thank you.